Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce of myself. My name is Kurnialinsari. In video, I will try simple and stylish Pashmina hijab tutorial. Tools needed: right, ciput or inner Pashmina hijab, and pin. Okay. The way: first, wear a hijab on the side longer. Second, then put a pin under the chain to unite the two side end of the hijab. Wrap the short side bend back, then pull the long back, then pull the long side up. Bring the tape down the pin on the top of the head so that doesn't shift. And here, this style can cover the case well if you use a jumbo size hijab. Thank you.